Hi friends, in this video, I'll give you a review of the 5 best folding electric bikes, and you'll get the links to buy in the description below. Let's get started. Fiido M1 Pro Fat Tire Electric Bike. The M1 Pro has a top speed of 40 km per hour and a powerful 500-watt engine with a broad-range 7-speed derailleur. You may effortlessly navigate the forest, sand, rocky beach, puddles, and other difficult terrains with the aid of this bike. The shock absorber in the complete suspension removes all jolts. A full charge only takes 9 hours to complete. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and keep supporting. Next, Fiido D4S Folding Electric Bike. The decision to ride long distances is not an easy task, but with D4S, whose frame is ergonomically engineered, the ideal cycling experience will not be simply a passing remark because Fiido always prioritizes users' comfort. Folding is absolutely stress-free, whether it is done in the bus, subway, or trunk of a car. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, Fiido D11 Folding Electric Bike for Commuter. The distinctive aesthetics that Fiido gives the D11 electric bicycle truly achieve the ideal harmony between form and function. Despite being so small, the battery can still travel 100 kilometers in electric moped mode since it is hidden under the seat tube. Additionally, since the battery is replaceable, you can always power it up wherever you are. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, Fiido D2S Folding Electric Bike. The extremely cost-effective D2S is built to be lightweight and foldable, which makes riding in cities absolutely stress-free. It has a 6-speed shifter and a rear shock absorber. Your daily riding experience is greatly enhanced by the D2S 16 inches folding electric bike's powerful electric drive unit and mechanical disc brakes. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, Fiido X Folding Electric Bike. Have you ever felt the need to ride without stress? The solution is the Fiido X. Fiido X is an eye-catcher with a minimalist look that powers your climb silently while taking you around the streets in style. The ideal travel companion for short excursions and daily commuting. The ride may be used right away after being unboxed because of its simple construction, which just requires the pedals to be screwed in. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Thanks for watching.